बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. Out of time melody. In a peaceful town lived a musician named Arif. Every evening he sat by the fountain and played his flute. His music was magical. Birds stopped singing, children smiled, and even shopkeepers paused to listen. Arif became famous for his evening melodies. One day, a traveler praised him and said, "You must play at any time. People will come running." Arif believed him and began to think he didn't need the evening time anymore. The next morning, he took his flute and started playing under the hot sun. But no one listened. At night, when people slept, he played again. Only silence answered. Days passed and his audience vanished. He sat alone, realizing that beauty has its own time and place. Moral: pride makes us forget timing and harmony. Even the most beautiful things lose their value when done out of season. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454. Where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.